fridge was empty and my soul felt tired. Then I remembered the rice flour tucked away, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, my quiet prayer today. Hot water poured in whispers, slow and thin, stirring the powder, turning chaos into sin. Not perfect, not smooth, just soft, just true. A dough that holds the love I didn't say to you. No need to buy, no need to wait, just flour and eggs, a simple fate. Crisp outside, so soft inside. One bite and I forget I'm tired. The mochi pulls like a whispered vow. Golden egg wraps it like a crown. This humble meal, so warm, so bright. It's not just breakfast, it's my life. My dad says this tastes better than the cafe. My mom adds extra oil for growing bones. You see, my child with sticky hands says one more please, and pushes his last bite right to my plate with ease. No fancy name, no photo, perfect frame, just flour, egg, and a quiet loving name. A meal that doesn't shout but holds you close, like I'm here in the silence when the world feels lost. No need to buy, no need to wait, just flour and eggs, a simple fate. Crisp outside, so soft inside. One bite and all my worries hide. The mochi pulls like a whispered vow. Golden egg wraps it like a crown. This humble meal, so warm, so true. It's not just breakfast, it's home to me. They say breakfast gotta be bold or clean or high in protein, but I found my feast in flour and the quiet love of a kitchen. This flavor longer than any trend, because what I'm cooking isn't food. It's the courage to rise even when you're worn. It's the patience to stir though you're still half asleep. It's the quiet I love you that doesn't need words, just egg and mochi and steam. No need to buy, no need to wait, just flour and eggs, a simple fate. Crisp outside, so soft inside. One bite and everything's alright. The mochi pulls like a whispered vow. Golden egg wraps it like a crown. This humble meal, so warm, so true. It's not just breakfast, it's home to me.闹钟响了3遍，眼皮还粘着页，冰箱空着，钱包也想再睡一觉。可你记得米饭还在柜子角落，3个 接单是今天唯一的承诺。热水一泼，粉絮飞舞，筷子搅动像在砧板时光的雾，不求多光滑，不求多完美，只要它暖，只要它暖，能填满这清晨的胃。热米粉配鸡蛋，5分钟搞定，不用买包子，不用等外卖跑。锅里煎出金黄的梦，外酥里软，香到像甜盘。咬一口，拉丝香爱缠住不放，儿子高音指他又小声后发。黄花洒在蛋皮上，热气裹着家的味道飘满房。这人间烟火啊，不轰动却滚烫，是你给我的最暖的糖。最暖的汤后，陷了渐弱，只留钢琴轻点高音，向你悄悄笑了。爸爸说，这比外头的香多了，你这手比厨师还利。妈妈偷偷多加了一chút油，说孩子长身体得多吃点油。小家伙顾着腮，含糊还要扬，马里拉丝缠住筷子不放走。没有山珍海味，只有这一盘，却让整个早晨不再冷。沉默半拍，向你抬头，看见阳光正落在孩子嘴角的脸上。热米粉配鸡蛋，5分钟搞定，你用耐心熬出日子的光。外酥是坚持，里又是柔软，嚼着嚼着眼泪就悄悄藏。红花洒在蛋皮上，连风都停在窗边听响。这平凡早晨啊，因你而发亮，热气气的早晨是家的模样。他们说早餐要高蛋白，要代餐，要打卡，我却在这一盘里尝到了家的重量。可这滋味啊，比任何网红餐都绵长，因为我煎的不是饼，是每天醒来的勇气。那些没睡够的澡，都在热油里化成了香。那些说不出的泪，都在这口额里慢慢融化。糯米粉配鸡蛋，5分钟搞定，你用温柔对抗世界的匆忙。外酥是日子的颗粒，我是爱的形状，这一口吃尽人间最真的光。破花洒在蛋皮上，千万个清晨因它而发烫。别等节日才团圆，今天就是最好